Welcome to Saxony Street in Kitchener, where the homes are newer, streets are quieter, and who knows, your next chapter might begin right here. I officially welcome you guys to our newest listing, 22 Saxony Street in Kitchener. This beautiful detached house has 4 bedrooms, 3 washrooms, and a 4th additional washroom roughly in the basement. This house sits on a premier lot that backs onto park and trail, which gives you 100% privacy. I always tell my clients that location is key part when you buy a house, and this particular house has schools nearby, public library is right next door, Highway 8 access is 5 minutes or less, as well as nearest amenities are also here, having restaurants, grocery stores, pizza stores, gas stations right within 3 minutes or less. Now, I've spoken enough. Let's go inside and check it out. Kitchen, definitely not the builder's basic. This has all the updated finishes, sleek lighting, as well as enough counter space here to handle everything from your morning cereals to your dinner parties. One of my favorite features in this house is master bedroom that is huge, spacious, bright, as well as has the park view from the windows, comes with upgraded double sink and suite washroom. Now, if you've been looking for a move-in ready home that balances everything for you in terms of style, space, and location, this house deserves a spot on your list. So what are you waiting for? Book a showing today. My name is Akash Basi, phone 226-978-7708. Contact me today. I'd love to show you around.